Have you ever looked at the roof of a modern car and noticed something strange? A little fin sticking up near the back. It looks exactly like a shark fin, and once you notice it, you start seeing it everywhere: sedans, SUVs, sports cars, even luxury vehicles. But what's it actually for? Because let's be honest, most people assume it's just a design feature, something added to make cars look cooler, more modern, more aggressive, like a shark swimming through the road. But here's the surprising truth. That little shark fin is doing far more than just making your car look good. In fact, it's helping your car communicate with the world around it. Let's break it down. Years ago, cars had long metal antennas. You probably remember them. Thin rods sticking up from the fender or roof. Some were fixed, some extended automatically when you turned on the radio. And while they worked, they had problems. They could bend, break, get damaged in car washes, or simply look outdated. As technology improved, car manufacturers started looking for something better, something smaller, stronger, and more aerodynamic. That's when the shark fin antenna was born. Now here's the interesting part. Despite its name, the shark fin isn't just one antenna. Inside that small housing are often multiple antennas working together. Think of it as a tiny communication center sitting on top of your car. And modern cars need a lot of communication. For example, your car's radio signal, GPS navigation, satellite radio, BLONL systems, mobile data connections, emergency services. Some vehicles even use it to support connected car features through cellular networks. All of these signals need antennas. And instead of placing several different antennas all over the vehicle, manufacturers hide them inside one sleek, shark fin-shaped case. Pretty clever. Now you might wonder, why put it on the roof? Why not hide it somewhere else? The answer comes down to signal quality. The roof is one of the highest points on the vehicle. That gives antennas a clearer path to receive signals from satellites, radio towers, and GPS systems. Think about trying to hear someone in a crowded room. The higher you stand, the easier it becomes to hear over obstacles. The same idea applies here. The roof provides a better location for receiving and transmitting signals. And the shark fin shape itself helps too. Unlike old rod antennas, it creates less air resistance. At highway speeds, even small improvements in aerodynamics can help reduce wind noise and improve efficiency. So that little fin is helping both communication and design at the same time. But here's where things get even more fascinating. Not every shark fin contains exactly the same technology. In older vehicles, the shark fin might only handle radio reception. Pretty simple. But in newer cars, that little fin can be packed with technology. Some shark fin antennas combine GPS, AM/FM radio, satellite radio, cellular communication, and even Wi-Fi signals into a single unit. In other words, that tiny piece of plastic on the roof may be one of the most connected parts of the entire car. Now think about how much modern cars rely on location data. When you open your navigation system, the car needs to know exactly where it is. That information comes from GPS satellites orbiting thousands of miles above Earth. The shark fin antenna helps receive those signals accurately. Without a strong GPS connection, navigation systems would be far less reliable. But that's not all. Many modern vehicles now include emergency response systems. If a serious accident occurs, the car can automatically contact emergency services and share its location. That communication often depends on antennas housed inside the shark fin. Pretty amazing when you think about it. A small object most drivers never notice could help rescuers find a vehicle during an emergency. Now here's another interesting fact. As cars become smarter, shark fin antennas are becoming more important. Many new vehicles can receive software updates over the air. Just like your smartphone, instead of visiting a dealership, the car can download improvements, bug fixes, or new features through wireless connections. And once again, the shark fin helps make that possible. Some advanced vehicles even use cellular networks to send information about vehicle health, traffic conditions, or remote control features through mobile apps. You can lock doors, check fuel levels, locate your car in a parking lot, all because your vehicle can communicate with external networks. And much of that communication passes through the antennas hidden inside the shark fin. Now here's the funny part. Most people assume the shark fin was added for style. And to be fair, it does look sleek, modern, sporty. But its appearance is really a side effect of its function. Engineers needed a compact, aerodynamic housing for multiple antennas. The shark fin shape simply turned out to be one of the best solutions. So the next time you walk past a car and notice that little fin on the roof, you'll know it's much more than a design detail. It's a tiny communication hub, a hidden piece of technology connecting your car to satellites, radio stations, mobile networks, GPS systems, and sometimes even emergency services. Common thing, surprising purpose. And now you know what that shark fin on your car is really doing.